One thing though I need to do is clean this K&N cold air intake filter. So as far as I know, he's got to loosen this band and then this should just pop off. Okay, just got to loosen the one, so that's good. So I got the K&N filter cleaner inside, so we'll cut to that next. Alright, so clean the K&N filter. Got this cleaner, got it from Amazon. I think the whole cleaning kit was like 18 bucks. Comes with the oil too. All you gotta do is spray this all around the filter, in and out of it. So do that, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then we'll wash it with the regular water. The hose. Alright, we'll let that sit for 10 minutes. We'll come back and wash it out and then apply the oil to it. Cool. It's been about 10 minutes and I just gotta clean this out. I'll just... You want to shake it off, make sure all the water is out. Most of the water you could get. I let it dry for a little bit and then apply the oil. Okay, so I waited quite a while to put the oil on because I said to make sure it was completely dry. So I waited like a couple hours and the filter is completely dry. So you can see it's pretty much black. So this is the air filter oil. So when you spray it on, it'll turn red. I'm outside on my porch. You don't want to breathe this stuff in, so you just want to get a consistent amount of this all over the filter. Now the reason I'm doing this now too is because I'm going to leave the filter overnight drying inside, so that way the oil is not completely saturated on the filter. That way your cold air intake will not absorb this into the intake system. And then after we spray down the whole filter, we'll just wipe off the excess and then we will let it dry overnight, and then we'll install it and we'll reattach it to the intake system. I'm wearing gloves too because you want to get this stuff on your hands. Alright, that seems an adequate amount. Hey, so what's up everybody? Finished. This is after I put the oil, left it on there for longer than 24 hours to let it dry. Most of it looks dry. There's a couple spots that look kind of dark, but now I just gotta install it back in here into the air intake. There it goes, just pops right in there. Let's make sure that it's tight, it's not going to wobble off. Yep, that thing's not coming out. And that's it. Pretty easy to clean and install your air intake K&N system. So hopefully that was intuitive, or it's intuitive and it's easy thing to follow. So if you like this, please like and subscribe, and yeah, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.